Hey, it's Todd Ault. These are Wall Street words. Today's word is private equity. This definition goes back a long ways to the days of KKR Kohlberg Kravis Roberts. When George Roberts and Henry Kravis were part of Bear Stearns, they used to call these deals bootstrap deals. Over time, these deals became leveraged buyouts, which ultimately became private equity. Private equity is an investment class where very accredited individuals and institutions get together. They'll buy a public company and take it private, or they'll buy a private company division from another public company. They'll run it, they'll modify it, they'll make management changes, and then ultimately have an exit by even selling to someone else that possibly needs that division or bringing that company public. An example of a private equity deal is when Kohlberg Kravis Roberts KKR took over RJR Nabisco and what then was the biggest buyout ever, about $25 billion. They bought the company, and over time they shed the Nabisco division, other divisions, the Reynolds division, and they used the cash flow from the company to pay back the banks that they borrowed the money from to buy the company. Private equity. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.